got onto an airplane for the very first time as my family and I left Afghanistan. It was on that very first flight that I initially felt the spark. I feel incredibly honored to receive the Captain Judy Cameron scholarship, which will enable me to complete my commercial pilot license training. The scholarship means that somebody else believes in me, and ultimately that encouragement is what propels my dreams into a reality, one of them being becoming a medevac pilot.
I'm trying to work towards my airline transport pilot license and flight instructor rating too, because I really want to do that before the airlines, which would be really fun. And honestly, what inspired me to start flying is just how fast the planes go.
Aircraft to get around. I immediately loved flying and have been trying to find a way to become a pilot ever since. In the future, I hope to do aerial firefighting or medevac. This scholarship will fund the remaining portion of my commercial pilot's license, which is getting me one step closer to these goals. To any women dreaming of becoming a pilot, maybe you're similar to me, you're a little bit older, you didn't have the financial backing. Now is a great time to enter the industry. Women have so much to offer aviation, and organizations like Air Canada are helping us get there. I can't wait to fly beside some amazing female pilots.
The scholarship will help me fund my multi-IFR training. I've always been fascinated by flying and the opportunities that it creates for meaningful exploration and connections. My ultimate career goals include becoming an airline pilot and a leader advocating for greater representation of women and contributing to advancements that promote inclusivity. To other women pursuing this career, I would like to say, believe in yourselves and believe in your potential.